Hi friend. This video will show you how to use Step Recorder in Windows 10. This application is built in with window that allow you to capture the screen step by step, and you can save as HTML file. Click Start button and type Step Recorder. Select Step Recorder application. Click Start Recorder. Then you can do whatever it will. Recorder your step doing. After you finish whatever you did, just click Stop Recorder. It will show you the step of recorded. You can click Save to save this record as zip file, and inside the zip file is HTML file. Fill the file name, then click Save. I will open file that I was saved to make sure that I saved properly. You can see in the zip file have HTML file. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, would you please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell to see notification when I post a new video?